Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Unite, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button. Then we need to press it again to open the menu. In the menu we need to scroll down. Find the settings option and tap on it to enter. In settings, tap on general settings. Here tap on pair and sync. Now scroll down, select the option called paired devices. And here you have a list of devices that are paired to your watch. As you can see, my phone is paired to it. Tap on on the device you want to unpair. Then tap the check mark to confirm. As you can see, it says no device is paired, and I got the message on my phone to pair the watch again, but I don't want to, so I'm just gonna tap on cancel like this. You can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if the watch is right here on this list. If it's not, that means that the watch was unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.